Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of the Mizuho Week Ahead. I am Jingyi, market economist at Mizuho Bank. The theme for the upcoming week is Trump overtones. Market action last week continued to have Trump trades overtones. Bitcoin rallied 8.4% to near US 100,000 levels, while US equities were buoyant, even amid escalation of Ukraine-Russia war, which saw Brent Crude climbing 5.8% and gold surging 6.0%. Meanwhile, UST yield curve flattened amid cautious FedSpeak on the pace of easing. Across the Atlantic, however, hotter than expected UK CPI print pushed back expectations of Bank of England's easing, especially against the backdrop of growing domestic and external threats to inflation, on an expansionary budget and global economic uncertainties. Money markets are also pricing higher odds of a 25 basis points cut at ECB's December meeting amid broadly dovish comments by ECB officials and disappointing Eurozone PMIs. Down under, RBA minutes flag minimal tolerance to accommodate a more prolonged period of above-target inflation. The minutes also alluded to focus more on forward-looking indicators and could mean that policy may become increasingly more sensitive to job market reports. In Asia, Thailand's GDP was supported by government consumption and the external sector, but slowing private consumption warrants closer monitoring. Bank Indonesia stood pat as its policy focus turned to rupiah stability. While Bank Indonesia still saw room to ease policy, it noted that room was more limited now. Accordingly, this may set the stage for another hold at the December meeting, absent a durable surge in rupiah strength. In other news, Prabowo's newly appointed parliament also added a tax and amnesty law revision to its list of priority bills for 2025. While the program, if passed, may help the government achieve the fiscal deficit goal in 2025, questions persist on the future outlook on Indonesia's massive spending plans. BSP confirmed that it had been intervening in the FX markets as the dollar-peso continued trading around near 59 levels. While affirming that BSP remained in the easing cycle and citing growth risks, Governor Rimolona highlighted a possibility of a pause if there are indications of inflationary pressures. Bank of Korea this week is expected to pause its easing cycle as it errs towards the side of caution amid the current period of heightened FX volatility, and as it continues to monitor the housing market. Nonetheless, higher growth risks and moderating inflation present some tail risks of a hawkish cut by Bank of Korea. Meanwhile, Australia's CPI is likely to reflect a bumpy disinflation path underpinned by buoyant labour markets, which could test RBA's patience on the lack of progress. All in, it remains to be seen if Trump trades has run its course, especially as actual policies and their attendant impact on US and spillovers to other countries are still uncertain. Tellingly, over the weekend, the nomination of Scott Bessent, who is seen as a fiscal hawk to lead US Treasury over the weekend, has seen the DXY falling to the tune of 0.6% this morning when markets opened. Nonetheless, uncertainty should still mean the broad dollar strength would likely persist in the coming week. With that, we have come to the end of this episode. For more information on the key events for the upcoming week, please refer to our Week Ahead publication or contact your respective sales desks and RMs. And for regular notification on our market views, please subscribe to our channel and hit the notification button. Thank you and bye-bye.